I am so excited to be with our director, Rob Oemig, and he has been on our board for a number of years now. And we just got done with our annual meeting, so it went very well and had a lot of great information. And I thought this would be perfect for us to do an interview with some of our directors to kind of get your perspective of, being a director, what you think about different issues. So the first thing I thought I would ask you is, why do you think, Rob, as a board member, why do you think it's important that we focus on all parts of our roots that we featured in our annual report, like our members and our community, our local businesses, our nonprofits? Why as a board do you feel that's really important to you?
Sure. Hello, everyone. I would say that one of the things that's most important to me as representative of the credit union is that we provide value to our members and the communities that we serve. I would say that whether it's an individual through our financial services or even as such as, strategically finding businesses to partner with, as well as our local nonprofits.
Perfect.
So if we can do that on all the levels, it's a really good thing.
It really is. I mean, that's what we're really focused on. I know in board meetings we talk a lot about community and giving back to the community. And why is that so important to you?
Correct. First, I would say that I want to thank the staff of Park City, because without them, that doesn't happen.
Right.
But it also just creates, the right bonds.
Right.
And I believe that we were involved with over 140 different area organizations. So that would mean over 140, Share the Care Acts.
Right.
And that's just amazing.
Yeah. Thousands of hours of community service work by our staff, and we're real proud of that. And I know the board is really committed to that effort. So, Well, good. Is there anything else you'd like to share as it relates to this?
I would just say thank you to all the members. And hopefully we get to do this in person next time, which would be amazing.
Okay, well, thank you, Rob.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. So Leah Burbach, who is our vice chair. Hi, Leah.
Hi.
Leah's joining us, and we're going to talk about kind of a different angle now. So, Leah, as a board member, what are you most proud of as far as like what was highlighted at the meeting tonight?
What I'm most proud of, and one of the things that I've been proud of as a board member in general since I've been on the board is how the credit union continues to grow. We grew our assets by 45 million this year, and we increased our loans by 25 million. And when you think about that, you have to break it down into the fact that, some of those loans were really small.
Right.
But some of them were really large. All of them were helping people achieve their dreams, whether it was a new car or a new snowmobile, maybe a new home. Some businesses needed loans. Absolutely. And all of that counts. And we're there as a credit union to help people do that.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. That's great advice and a great summary. I know you presented the report tonight and kind of gave a lot of highlights of our financial progress of the year and how we've grown. So, well, thank you, Leah.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, so we're going to continue on with Jim Richardson. Jim is our board chair, and we always love your message at our annual meeting. You always bring a really cool perspective. Yes, you did that too again this year, which is great. I love how you wind in like stories with our annual report. So it's great.
Got a lot of stories.
Well, that's
been around a while.
People remember stories, right?
Yeah, they do. They do.
So, we talked a lot about 2021, and we've got 2022 we're obviously in. Can you talk a little bit about what, we have to look forward to, or what members have to look forward to as we continue down the path of 2021 and what we're focused on going forward?
Sure. We heard tonight at the annual meeting all of the unique things that are out there that we can take advantage of. Mobile deposits for checking and such, loans that can be done so efficiently now.
Right.
The one thing, though, that I think we need to remember as we address a increasingly sizable membership is what got us here.
Right.
We did the traditional way for many, many years. We have drive-up lanes. We've got the lobby. And those continue to be strong points for our members. And we intend to stick with that. But we also realize that we're in a changing world, a changing society with different needs at different times. Now your credit union is essentially open 24 hours a day.
Right.
And as one who might be old enough to fear some of the technology, It really isn't that bad. People are here to help you. You come in, you can sit down for a few minutes, and they'll literally walk you through how to do these things.
Mm-hmm.
And once you know that,
Right.
it doesn't mean that you have to completely dismiss yourself from the drive-up lane if that's what you want to do, if that's most convenient, or come to the lobby. But again, it's 24 hours a day that you have access to your services.
Right.
And that's really important moving
Yep.
forward.
Yep. You know, our members are really wanting those types of services. They want, you know, they want to be able to interact with us however they want.
Mhm.
But it was really exciting in 2021.
Yes.
We had over 25,000 checks that were done just by taking a picture with the mobile phone and putting that right in their account.
Yeah.
So,
That
you
is
know,
so
those
easy.
deposits,
It's so easy to
and
do.
that's instant, right? You
Yeah.
don't have to worry about like, you know, waiting in line and, you know, hanging out or waiting for the deposit, anything. It's just instant from
Right.
wherever you're convenient,
Right.
24 hours a day, like you were saying. So again, I
And-
think that, you know, just goes to show that people want to connect with their accounts and we want to give it to them. And that was kind of my message
Right.
a little bit too. So, you know, what do you think about as it relates to our service award?
Well,
I mean,
that
isn't
was
that
just
fantastic?
super. When Val was telling the members about this in her speech at the meeting, this is truly an honor for Park City Credit Union. That is an honor that is dispersed throughout all of our offices and all of our members.
Right.
You know, you have made us do this.
Right.
It's wonderful. It really is. And I only look forward to bigger and better things
Yeah.
down the road.
Yeah. Measuring our service
Yes.
and our surveys is something that we are really,
Right.
really invested in. And we know that's important. So,
And when you get one of those notices for, you know, participating in a survey of some type, take it seriously
mhm.
and let us know how we're doing.
Yeah.
That's how we become better.
Right, right. So, okay, we have lots of stats here, and if you missed my message and the treasurer's message, we talked a lot about, you know, our focus to quick, flexible
Mhm.
loans, approval of loans online
Well, the number of
applications,
loans,
or yeah,
You know, that came up this year was $86 million
Yes.
in loans.
yes,
And you consider that's 86 million, and you have loans that are running off too. You have 86 million.
right. That was booked. Over 2,700 members we helped with their loans this year. So,
And
In
that means
2021.
a lot of people got things that they needed, that they
right,
wanted,
right,
helping people through those various stages in their financial
Right.
lives. And we like to think that we had a part in that.
oh, I feel very strongly that we did. So, we're happy to help our members. So.
Right.
Membership, again, very proud that has surpassed over 22,000 members in 10 counties. Again, that's just a fabulous testament to the brand and what people feel in terms of working with Park City. And the number one reason that people come to us is referral of family and
Yes,
friends, which
yes.
is great. That just means that, you know, people are talking about us, they're great about the, you know, happy
Mhm.
about the experience, and we're really proud of that.
And
So,
every once in a while, we'll get a letter from somebody
Yeah.
and thanking us or thanking
right,
a specific person in among the staff for helping them with a loan or helping them through a situation that they would have found to be quite confusing otherwise.
very stressful.
And those are nice things to
It
hear.
really is.
Really
So,
are. So-
well, I think the annual meeting went really well this year. What do you
Yes,
think?
yes.
All right.
Looking ahead to next year, though,
Right.
it would be great if we could see people face to face.
Yeah, For
Yeah,
sure. we're
that's
gonna
our
do that.
goal.
Yeah.
And then we'll have a cheese tray.
Absolutely. So again, I'm Val Mindak, President of the Credit Union. This is Jim
Jim
Richardson,
Richardson.
the Chairman of the Board. Thank you for taking some time to hear a little bit of a summary of what our event was about tonight. And again, thank you for joining us. And hopefully next year it's in person. So thank you very much.
And have
Bye.
a good evening, and hopefully the weather will cooperate so you can get out and do all the lawn work and things that you enjoy doing.
Bye.